Hola and welcome back. Today we will go into the steps to engrave a tumbler like these ones. I already engraved these tumblers before, but I forgot to record the process. I will use the WeCreat Vision, but this video will be of absolute advantage for you if you have another laser engraver like a CO2 or a diode. Before I jump into the basics, here's the attachments I added to my WeCreate lasers. At the moment of this video, this attachment was necessary to have more space available to engrave a tumbler. For more details about this device, check the description below or one of my previous videos where I demonstrate why the attachment is necessary. I also share short videos here on YouTube and all my social media channels to help you with your laser or sublimation journey. Let's start by cleaning the tumbler with alcohol, then remove the handle and carefully bend the tabs of the handle. And when you place the tumbler into your laser, take in consideration the level of the bottom side of the tumbler. If you use the top part, the engraving will not reach the bottom side of the tumbler. I forgot to record this part, but always measure the widest part of your tumbler. This tape measurement is so handy and affordable. The link will be in the description below. Here is a view of the Make It software from WeCreat. No worries if you are using another software because these steps are very similar to other softwares. Let's start by uniting all the pieces of the design. If you look closer, there are some parts of the image that are loose in the design. If you leave them like this, your process time could take longer. Just select them all and unite them using the option from the top toolbar. Next, adjust the image based on the size of your tumbler. My tumbler circumference is about 12.3 inches and around 9.5 inches long. So those will be the measurements I will take in consideration for my image. Additionally, make sure to add the perimeter or diameter measures into the software option. Finally, adjust your material settings. I will choose one of the options from the system. Stainless steel tumbler red looks like the one I have, so that's the one I using. If your dimensions are correct, the view of your 3D image should look correct. If this image is not what you're looking for, make sure that the dimensions are correct and that you are not confusing millimeters or inches because that's gonna mess up uh, all these steps. Something to take in consideration is that I am scoring the image, or like the software likes to call it, line engrave. I chose this option because my image has fine lines, and this video purpose was to show you the process of installing and engraving. Remember that engraving takes longer than line engrave. Everything looks good, so I'm gonna send this to my machine, and if you take a closer look, you'll see that this image only is gonna take about 5 minutes to score or like engrave, and that's the reason why I'm doing this, because I'm recording for you real quick. You see, 4.25 minutes. So everything looks good. Let's send this to the machine and show you how it's gonna engrave. This is real time, so you see how it's engraving, really engraving right now. And this is line engrave. I keep scoring line engrave, but it's scoring. So you see that it's faster. Now I'm gonna fast forward everything so you can see everything faster right now. Well, this took less than 5 minutes to line engrave. My best advice is to mix line engraving with scoring, and that will save you time. With line engraving, you should have less scorching on the tumbler, and you'll see I can hardly have to clean this up. But yeah, there's traces of the paint. Everything engraved perfectly. I am very happy with this process. As you can see, you can hardly see where it started and ended. Another thing is to take in consideration if you need to start in certain parts, you need to place the tumbler where you need it. Now I'm gonna clean it with a little bit of alcohol, and that's it. This is done. I'm just gonna add the handle. If you have any questions, please don't forget to add your comments. I take in consideration your question, comments, and requests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on social media where I share tips and tricks every single day with many laser engravers and sublimation. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting and happy laser engraving. See you again soon.